Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up the Canon PIXMA MX922 printer on your Windows, macOS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and then into Google, you want to search for Canon PIXMA MX922 support, and then go ahead and search for that. Best results should say Canon support for PIXMA MX922. Go ahead and open that up. Now you want to scroll down on this page underneath downloads and select software and drivers. And then scrolling down again underneath the third section here, you want to locate an item in here that says My Printer. Go ahead and select the download button that corresponds to that file. And then once it's downloaded, go ahead and open up to run it. And it should be a verified publisher. Select yes. You can close out of the web browser at this time. Select next, and then proceed to select a region and country. Accept the license terms, and then if you want to change the destination folder or path, you can. We're just going to let it stay at the default settings here. And then once that's done, you can create a desktop shortcut if you'd like. You don't have to, but if you have any issues with your printer, such as getting it connected, you can come in here and select Diagnose and Repair Printer, and then you can go ahead and diagnose different troubleshooting issues you may be having directly through this interface. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.